Hi guys, I'm Linda from Taskmaster and welcome to our company. We have created this product with your business needs in mind. With Taskmaster, we want to make sure that your business can keep on growing. Yes, we want you to manage your mobile workforce as efficiently as possible. Taskmaster will help you simplify your business processes and optimize costs with just one simple tool. We always strive to uncover better ways of developing software. For this reason, we constantly seek to adopt Agile methodologies and work practices. What is Agile, and how do we implement these Agile processes? Let us meet Chris DeGuerra, the CTO and head of software at HandsOn Systems.
At HandsOn, we are all about working smarter, not harder. Instead of tackling huge, overwhelming projects simultaneously, Agile breaks things down into smaller, more manageable pieces. This helps teams move quickly and efficiently while also making sure everyone's on the same page. Plus, by getting feedback early and often from users and stakeholders, the end product is more likely to meet everyone's needs. At its core, Agile is all about teamwork, communication, and building great software. And we're proud to say that Taskmaster, our workforce management tool, is a shining example of Agile principles in action.
Cynthia is the Scrum Master at HandsOn Systems. She is in charge of the overall product development and manages the team behind Taskmaster.
Our product development process involves a collaboration between our Scrum team, mainly the developers and testers, where we prioritize the product backlog based on the user's requirements and feedback. We use Agile methodologies, mainly Scrum, to deliver working software in short iterations. I must say that our great team is very passionate about the product, and they go above and beyond to make sure that they deliver the best possible experience to our Taskmaster users.
We are simply obsessed with quality. We give extra care and attention to testing, thus making sure that all aspects of the software work as they were intended to work in the first place. Taskmaster gets updated regularly to make sure that you always have the latest and greatest software. We are constantly learning from our customers, and improving our product as we go along is one of our top priorities. We take great pride in what we do. Taskmaster is the result of a lot of research, design, and development, which our people have put in through countless hours of dedication and commitment toward our vision of creating a cloud-based workforce management solution that can handle everything from customer and workforce management to scheduling tasks and sending customer notifications in the easiest, intuitive, and practical way possible. Have a look around our website and sign up for a free trial today. Do you want to know more? Then schedule a demo with one of our sales representatives and let us show you how you can transform your business with just a couple of clicks.